before I start showing you guys my process on how I achieve blue hair from black to blue, I do want to let you guys know that it did take me up to 3 weeks and a half, so keep that in mind, that it is a challenge from going such a bright color and having dark hair. And I'm not a professional, I'm just sharing my experience on how I achieved my color. So if you're up for the challenge, keep watching. We'll be using Quick Blue by L'Oreal, Bleach, and 30 volume developer. You can literally use any volume developer, it doesn't really matter. And I'm also going to be using Arctic Fox. I'm kind of really nervous about it because it's my first time using it, but wish your girl luck, and please do not forget gloves, guys. Putting some bleach into the bowl, and now I'm getting my 30 volume developer, and I'm gonna start mixing it until I get like a smooth runny, not too runny though, consistency to the point that it would be easy to spread through my hair.
Apparently I'm gonna need more of this because this is a thick D. Let's pour some more slowly.
Okay, so this is the texture you're looking for. Something fluffy, soft, something that would be easy to spread through the hair, like I said. And I always like to compare it to cake mix.
Well, the instructions are in the back where it says directed for you. Sorry, I have really shaky hands. I just had a pre not that long ago. And it shows you like the measurements for each scoop. So if you do end up getting it, just know that the directions are there and you can follow them if you would like.
Okay, right here I'm just spreading coconut oil all over my head. There's not really an explanation, just splatter that all over your head. Put on your gloves because this bleach will mess up your hands. But after I brush my hair, I like to put my hair halfway up. Yeah, I know before I get dragged, it's not really much of a technique, but it always works for me, and you're always welcome to do something different. So now I'm just spreading the bleach all over my hair. Okay, I forgot to say that you should probably have a friend there with you so they can make sure that you're fully covered your head, because you do not want to miss a spot. It's just gonna look awkward and weird. I'm not trying to put pressure on you guys, but try to bleach your hair super fast so everything comes out evenly. Don't leave the bleach on your hair for longer than 30 minutes. I tend to leave it on for 25 minutes just to be on the safe side. Okay, so when you're done bleaching, you want to make sure that your hair stays wet with the bleach, because if the bleach ends up drying out, it actually stops working, so keep that in mind. So 2 weeks later, I did end up bleaching my hair a second time. I don't recommend bleaching your hair 3 times because it's just overall scary and you don't want to deal with that, so just don't do it. So I'm just going to pour the Arctic Fox dye into a bowl, but please be careful because it will stain everything. Okay, so just brush your hair, put it halfway up, section it however you want, it's up to you. After that long wait, all the mess you made, you destroyed your restroom already. We finally get to dye our hair and destroy it a little bit more. So now all you want to do is spread that whole dye all over your hair. Make sure you have a friend there so they could check that you didn't miss a spot, because you will end up with yellow spots. Fox is a conditioner-based dye, so you can leave it in your hair longer than regular dyes. I'm going to leave mine for 2 hours just because I know my hair is stubborn. So I'll get back to you guys soon. So guys, we finally reached the end of my video, and I hope I could help one of you guys out and you guys didn't go completely bald. But until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.